Do you know the secret to improving AI content creation efficiency? It's actually building your own character library, including real people, anime-style characters, and animals. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create your own custom character library in HitPaw Edimakor and how to use it to generate content faster and more easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Once you open the software, click New Project to begin. Step 2. Create your character library. Now we can start building our character library. Inside both Media and AI Avatar, you'll find a section called My Character. Here, you have two ways to create your character library. Import files, upload existing character images. AI generate characters with AI. Today, we'll focus on AI Generate. Click AI Generate, and you'll see more than 20 character templates. Choose one template you like, then name your character. Write a description of your character, or set the aspect ratio. After that, your custom character is ready. You can keep adding all your frequently used characters into this library, building your own AI character system. Step 3. Using your characters. Now, here comes the powerful part. When you want to generate an image, click AI Image. I recommend using Nano Banana 2 model because it produces higher quality results. Now pay attention. This is the key step. Click My Character, and you can directly access the characters you've saved in your library. I'll choose a puppy character. Then I enter this prompt. The puppy is recording a podcast. Next, set resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity, then click Generate. And just like that, you'll get a high-quality AI image. What's even more powerful is that you can reuse the same character in many different scenarios, such as cooking, working, skateboarding, and more. This allows you to quickly create consistent AI content with the same character. Step 4. Re-edit or turn into video. If you're not satisfied with the image, just right-click and choose Re-edit to adjust the prompt. If you like the result, you can also right-click and choose Image to Video to turn it into a moving video. Pretty powerful, right? Okay, that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.